Hello guys, I am Kaushik Uppala. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about conditional statements in Python which makes your code smarter. By this video, we will unlock decision making in your programs, control the flow of execution based on conditions because they are essential for creating dynamic and responsive applications. The if statement, basic syntax. The if statement basic syntax concludes if and a condition and column. The condition is an expression, it evaluates true or false. Example, we declare a variable age equals 20. If age greater than or equals to 18, it prints the statement you are an adult. This example checks if the age is 18 or older, it prints a message if the condition is true. The else statement. The else statement plays a key role in handling alternatives. Syntax of else condition. If condition column indentation and else statement. The if condition is executed if the code is true and the else condition is executed if the if statement is false. The else statement provides an alternative path. It executes when the if condition is false. An example for else condition. Here we declare a variable age equals 16. If age greater than or equals to 18, we print a statement you are an adult. And else statement we print you are not an adult. This code decides if someone is an adult. It prints a different statement based on the condition. The elif statement, multiple conditions. The elif statement includes if condition 1 and elif condition 2 and else condition block. If condition block is executed first, it checks the initial condition. Elif condition 2, if this checks a second condition, it runs if the first one was false. Otherwise, if the if condition is true, the elif condition won't work and else condition is not even checked. And coming to else condition, this is the divorce block. It runs if no conditions above is satisfied. It means if the if condition and elif conditions are false, then only the else condition will be executed. The elif statement or else if statement takes additional conditions. It takes decisions for your program. Nested conditional statement. Placing if statement inside another if statement creates nested logic. This is useful for complex decision making scenarios. X equals 10. Here is an example x equals 10 if x greater than equals 0 and if x percentage 2 equals 0, print x is positive and even, else print x is positive and odd, else print x is not positive. The inner if statement executes only if the outer if statement is true. This allows for very specific criteria to be the condition to be executed. Common mistakes and best practices. Comparison error, indentation, clarity, and refactor are the common mistakes in conditional statements. Using double equals to for comparison, not assignment operator. This is a common syntax mistake. Indentation is very important in Python. Python relies on proper indentation. Incorrecting spaces leads to errors. Clarity. Keep conditions clear and concise. Avoid overly complex logic. Refactoring. Avoid deeply nested if statement. Consider refactoring for readability. Conclusion of mastering conditions. Fundamental logic. Conditional statements are fundamental to programming logic. They enable dynamic behavior. Control flow. Use if, else, and elif to control program flow efficiently. Practice. Practice writing conditional statements regularly. Solve diverse problems. And combine. Combine conditions with loops for more complex and powerful behavior.